Here's a tour of 7517 Aurora Avenue, the house behind Uber Tavern. New kitchen, June of 2016. Solid granite, drop-in sink, pull-out faucet. New range, new hardwoods throughout. Bedroom 1. Little breakfast bar here. Upstairs bathroom, tub, solid granite matching the kitchen. Second bedroom upstairs. Hall closet. This is the largest bedroom, the third one upstairs. Closet. Going downstairs, so there are cat doors throughout the house. There's one. They're four-way locking. This is the storage. And laundry. So this is the downstairs one bedroom. It has a separate locking entrance, so it can be secured. Here's the second kitchen. Downstairs bathroom. Downstairs bedroom. This is by far the smallest bedroom. It's also the most private. This is a separate entrance. There's two entrances to the house. They both have cat doors. This one has a cat door in the main door and also in the screen door.